हे आयजें जें रिजर्वेशन आयलां मडगांव म्युनिसिपल कावन्सिलांत, ह्या रिजर्वेशनान OBCंक, STंक आनी शेड्यूल कास्टाक न्याय मेळिल्लो आहा. म्हळ्यार विकर सेक्शन्स एंड वुमन हॅव गॉट जस्टीस because of we winning in the High Court and having the perseverance to take this matter in the Supreme Court, and justice has been done to the women and to the weaker sections by the Supreme Court, and the government has said to implement it. However, my calculation have been affected in seven wards because of this last minute changes. The wards affected are ward number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 and 23. Surprising is that the somehow women reservation eludes ward number 11. Maybe because of a certain criteria that has been adapted by the present days. All in all, I would like to say that the last minute shocks which aspirants get because of reservation and delimitation are not a good sign for democracy. And to prevent it, I am going to move a private member bill in the coming assembly session so that delimitation and reservation should directly come under the State Election Commission and not under the Director of Panchayat or Director of Municipal Administration. This is going to be a private member bill which I am going to move. If Mr. Pramod Sawant has nothing to hide, he will support this private member bill and make it into a government bill with an assurance. If not, the new government that is going to come up of our combination will make this first change when the government comes into power next year, and we will see that reservation and delimitation are not going to remain with government servants but go under a neutral state election commission as desired by the Supreme Court.